All right, everyone. Hello, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I got this trading strategy. I use it on the 15-minute time frame. It works okay on both smaller and higher time frames as well. I found it works best though on the 15-minute. And of course, it works on Forex, stocks, and crypto, but I'll be using it on the Euro US dollar trade pair. And if you stick around to the very end of the video, I will show you how to set up trading alerts on this strategy so that you can get notified. So we're going to be using 3 indicators for this strategy. The very first indicator that we will use is the WADA ATAR. Click on the very first one. The SSL Hybrid will be the second indicator that we will be using. And the third indicator will be the QQE Mod. This is how your chart should look right now, but we're going to clear it up a little bit. So go over to the SSL Hybrid, click on Settings. So we're going to uncheck every single box except for the exit arrows and the MA baseline. For the QQE mod, go to Settings. We're going to go to Style. We're going to uncheck the QQE line. And for inputs, we're going to change the RSI smoothing to 6. For the WAE, go to Settings. We're going to go to Sensitivity and change it to 180. All right, this is now how your chart should look like. Also, if you guys have found value, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like button. It helps me grow my channel, and as soon as I hit 1,000 subs here on YouTube, I'll be hosting my free Telegram trading channel. All right, so for the strategy, for a long position, the first thing that we're going to be looking for is for a blue arrow to appear. Once we can see this has appeared, we're going to check to see if the price action is above this blue line. Once those conditions are met, we will see if the trading volume is trending above this line right here. And we can also see that the QQE is in blue. So once these conditions have been met, we can take our first long position. So we'll set the trade right here. We set the stop loss a few points below the swing low. As for the exit position, we're going to wait until a red arrow appears. And then after that bar closes, we will exit the position. So we have our first successful long trade. We have another trade right here. You can see the blue arrow has appeared. Price is above the blue line. We can see that the volume is trending above the line on the WAE mod. We can also see that the QQE is in the blue. So we're going to take our next long position, open the trade, the stop loss a few points below the swing low. And again, if we hold on to the trade until the red arrow appears, we have another successful trade. So for the short position, you're going to do the opposite. We're going to wait for a red arrow to appear. We're also going to wait to see red on the WAE as well as the QQE mod. So once that's occurred, we're going to take our short position, open the trade right here, a few points above swing high. So as we can see on this trade, we did have a blue arrow appear, but it didn't hit the stop loss quite yet. So I would say if the price is still trending below the red line, you can leave the trade open. And if we did, we would have immediately ran into another trade position, and we would have had a really nice short position using this strategy. I would say the trick to this strategy is knowing when the higher volume occurs. So for example, if you're trading on Forex, you should know when most of the volume comes into your trade pair. And if you use this strategy in conjunction with higher volume, you can normally find a lot better trades. So we have another short position right here, red arrow appearing below the red line. We can see that the WAE and the QQE mod both have red in the volume, so we'll take a short position. If we held on to this trade until the blue arrow appeared and closed, we can see that the trade was much smaller. But if you'd like, you can take some of the profit on the way down at the 2 risk-reward ratio. And after that, you can just move the stop loss down and leave the trade open. So for setting up alerts on this strategy, what you're going to do is you're going to right-click on the arrow, click on Add Alert. We're going to click on Once Per Bar Close, and then we're going to set up 2 trading alerts, one for the buy entry and an additional one for the sell entry. After that, you should get alerts notified to whatever device you use plugged into TradingView. And then after that, you can check to see if the trade is valid. So if you guys found value out of today's video, I would greatly appreciate it if you would click the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and leave some comments down below if you have any suggestions of how I can improve this strategy, or if you have any other additional suggestions. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day.